Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw a cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and axis height 80 mm is resting on its curved surface on HP with axis parallel to HP in VP. We need to draw front view, top view, right hand side view, and we have to use third angle method. So what we will do first we will draw, since it is in third angle and axis parallel to HP in VP, then side view will give you true shape. So I'm drawing circle in side view. So I'm drawing right hand side view first. Then I'm drawing front view. I'm taking lines from side view and length is 80. Axis length, so I'm marking 80. So we are done with front view and side view. Now we need to draw top view. I'm drawing axis. I'll take 45 degree from here and I'll project from side view. See this. So width we will get from side view and length we will get from front view. So we have done front view, top view and right hand side view of this object. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.